I think the thing about fear is that sometimes it can be helpful in helping us, think about the future and maybe prepare or problem solve or things like that. But sometimes it can be unhelpful if it kind of just makes us, lie awake at night and go round and round and round in our heads just thinking about all these different worst case scenarios. So I think, one question is, whether or not it's right for you to go ahead with chemotherapy. And in most cases, your doctors and in consultation with your doctors, you'll sort of know whether that's the right way ahead. And most often it's going to be, the best thing for you treatment-wise and in terms of survival. So that's kind of one question. The second question is, how do I deal with this awful, overpowering fear? And I guess, one thing is I guess just to kind of maybe talk to people if there's particular things that you're worried about, if there's particular side effects, there's lots of ways that the medical team can be able to help you to manage those side effects. But I think ultimately, some of it, the kind of waiting game before treatment, I think it's about just recognizing that I'm not going to know what it's like until I get there. So right now, this awful, awful feeling and this scary, fear in my gut is probably not helping me. And I know that kind of, it's hard not to feel that fear, but I guess just to know that it might not be as bad as you're worrying, and you will get through it as well.